Hey there, traders. Hope you guys are all doing great this week. What you guys been up to? I haven't been doing much. I've just been studying the markets, and I just want to show you guys a very common pattern in the market that you can exploit or that you can take advantage of, and that I've taken advantage of many a time, where I've on some occasions made 20 to 50% on my account. In my earlier days, I've actually doubled my account with this setup. So I just want to show you, run through a few setups here. First of all, this is a breakout type of indicator. Now I just want to see if you guys can spot what I can see as I run back on the chart. Because when I look at an indicator or a system, what I like to see is, does it work or does it fail? How can we exploit the system? So we can see over here, this one here. Now let's just go back. So let's just go back now and let's just study these breakouts. And you tell me if you can see what I can see. On this one here, I can see that the breakout failed. Okay, I can see a tweezer top. And then I can see a 95, almost 100 pip drop the other way. Okay, so I can see this indicator failed. It's a failed breakout. So they did a liquidity sweep of these equal highs. Let me just change that to yellow. And they reversed the market. So let's just go further back and let's just see how often this happens. Look at this, guys. Equal highs over here get taken out. Equal lows get taken out. We get a bullish engulfing. Now remember, this is the hourly time frame. This strategy works really well on the hourly, from what I've noticed lately on the charts. So if you understand your price action as well, so here we get a failed breakout. And then we get let's just say you entered here. So this is would have been a beautiful 1 to 3.5 risk to reward ratio trade, 50 pips either way. So can you see, whenever you look at an indicator or whenever you look at a system, see if it works or if it fails? Can you take advantage of the indicator or the systems, or can you use it in a way that the market makers would use it and take advantage of retail traders? The same thing here, we can see equal highs. Equal highs get taken out, liquidity gets absorbed, stop losses. We get like a tweezer top type of price action there. And the market nose dives, probably is about 50 pips that way. Now, if we keep going back on the chart, you're just going to see this happening over and over and over and over again. Look at this. Equal highs get taken out. Bearish engulfing. 40 pips the other way. Look at it down here. Equal lows get taken out. Hammer, followed by a nice bullish candle. And then the market moves 50 pips the other way. A nice 1 to 3.5 risk to reward ratio trade. You could have made 50%. You could have done crazy things with your account here. Okay, you could have made 50% on your account if you knew how to use your risk properly. Well, probably not that much, but you could have made, I would have probably made about 20% of my account on this trade if you know how to use your risk properly. Look at this. Equal highs get taken out. Bearish hammer. The market drops almost 40 pips the other way. 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio trade. So if you know what to look for in the markets, then you'll start to be able to like understand setups that you can exploit. Okay guys, so if you're interested in learning to trade, click on the links in the descriptions or add me on Telegram and I will help you become profitable, teach you everything I know, show you how to exploit the market the way I do each week, almost each day. It's quite simple guys, once you know what to look for, once you have the right systems in place, the right risk management, and the right strategies, it's almost impossible that you won't be able to make a living off trading once you know the right things to do. It's quite simple guys. Have a good one and chat again soon.